What's up, YouTube? This is Rob from Boozer's Backwoods Chronicles. Got a little project to do today. Let's walk you through it. Well, now that I've got a bunch of stuff in here, and I still need to get more stuff in here, I need to really start focusing on organizing it. I've got a big mess here. So today on this wall, we're going to put up 60 foot of, each shelf will be 2 foot wide and 20 foot long. I'm gonna go 3 shelves high, give me a total of 60 foot of shelving. That should give me enough room to get this stuff off the floor and out of the way. Let's get started. All right, so here's what I come up with. This is 20 foot long. Shelves are 2 foot wide, and I got about 20 inches between each one. So total of 3 shelves, lots of room to store stuff now. So let's see what this barn looked like after I get everything put away and organized. So I created frames out of 2x4s. I fastened one into the wall using the never-ending supply of self-tapping sheet metal screws that I have. And then I put an extra cross member in where there's a seam where the OSB meets so that I don't have a floppy edge. This should work great. A little while ago, I was up walking around on the top of it, so it supports my weight no problem. So that's a good thing. It gave it a good shake test, and the only thing that when I shake it, the whole building shakes. So it's in there good. Tomorrow I'll give you an overview of what the garage looks like once I have it organized. All right, I'm happy to say I finally got things organized. So I got everything on my shelves, somewhat organized. Needs another pass, but definitely things are a lot more organized.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get notifications of all the new videos.